What would be the effect of a sustained accelerated Arctic methane release? We know that existing feedback mechanisms are all multiplying together to further accelerate the total warming influence. So a sustained accelerated methane release would mean we are further down the self-reinforcing slide towards hothouse conditions that appears to have begun already. Climate models and also paleoclimate data indicate that large-scale disgorging of Greenland ice into the ocean would simultaneously cool the North Atlantic and weaken ocean circulation, allowing more heat to build up in equatorial regions. The resulting steeper temperature gradient would be conducive for unprecedented superstorms to develop, the type that appear to have lifted large boulder-sized fragments of coral out of the sea onto land during previous periods of intense ice melt. As leading climate scientist Jim Hansen says, all hell would break loose in the North Atlantic. It would no longer be possible for anyone to deny the existence of climate change, at least not without an insane level of self-delusion. The state of global society would likely become increasingly more stressed than it is today. So even if a no-holds-barred last-ditch attempt at planetary-scale methane depletion was still able to recover the system, a state of dysfunctional lawlessness might simply prevent that. Once a stable hothouse condition is reached, it would not be compatible with civilized society or be reversible on any human timescale.